Hi everybody, welcome to Reality Buzz TV where we talk about all things reality TV shows and all things reality TV show stars. And today, you guys, it's a Saturday, okay? And before I go to class, because I am a student, yes, at my age. So let's do the updates on what's happening in the reality TV show world, okay? So listen, you guys, I don't know. I don't know about this one, okay? I'm going to do the story for you because maybe some of you are more excited than I am about the story. So there is a new season of Mnakwethu Happily Ever After that is coming. By the way, you guys, I ended up not doing Mnakwethu, the last part of the reunion, the review. If you guys still want it, tell me. I just felt like it's been so long since it aired. I don't know if people are still interested in what I thought about that last part, but if you want it, I had made notes so I can still do it. So the Happily Ever After is a spin-off show from Mnakwethu, and the new season is coming, and they are telling us that Dulas and Qondanisa are coming back. I'm like, I don't understand, guys. Listen, I thought that we had done the Dulas and Qondanisa story, and we were done with it. There was nothing more that we could do with these stories, but for some reason, um, uh, is it Mzansi Magic thinks that they can still give us more from these two men. And I don't understand because there's so many couples that we have seen on Mnakwethu that are very interesting that we would like to see. We would see how are they doing now after they said yes to Tembu. Is it working out? Is it not working out? They can even give us couples where the wife had said no, because we still do want to see what happens after the show. But they are just choosing to give us the same people when it comes to happily ever after. I don't get it, okay? I don't hate Dulas and Qondanisa, but I feel like those stories are just have been done like. But so tell me in the comment section if you're excited to see them. Now, you guys, the interesting thing here is the fact that Mnakwethu, who was the first wife, Qondanisa, had done an interview where she had said that her and Qondanisa had broken up. In fact, she had found herself a new man and all of that, and she was moving on with her life. What confused me about her is that when she was doing the reunion of Mnakwethu, she was there saying, she said to that one man, "I indoda yami iyodwa, uQondanisa." I'm like, how? You are back with Qondanisa. So I guess that's the only thing I want to see really when it comes to Qondanisa. Is he back with Mnakwethu? Because I thought Mnakwethu had sense enough to just break up with this guy who is a horrible, horrible husband and go and meet a new man. And she seemed like she was happy. So I'm like, were we watching the lies in that interview, you guys? So yes, they are coming back. So I'll read a little bit from what the Sunday World is saying as far as that is concerned. And also I do want to touch up on what Liz is saying, because guys, Liz was over there on the Ultimate Girls trip being racist, okay? Okay, making some racist comments when she was over there crying about people saying that she's not all the way white, okay? But she was saying, just because Crystal is white, she can't have childhood trauma. And I'm like... I hypocrite Liz. So now, you guys, she's talking about how she regrets saying those words to Crystal. I'm like, a little too late, okay? So let's go and read about the Mnakwethu. So it says here, after a shaky end of previous season of Mnakwethu hosted by polygamist Musamselegu, season 4 of the spin-off show is back. Mzansi Magic's Mnakwethu Happily Ever After will be making a return to Mzansi Magic for a brand new season, promising more drama than ever before. This season, polygamist Dulas Amakubane and Qondanisa Sibisi, who were introduced in season 1, will be joined by Untangase, bringing his own family challenges to the forefront. I just would have loved to see all new people on the show, okay? The show is a spin-off of the reality TV series Uthando Nesithembu. How? No, it's a spin-off from Mnakwethu, okay? Well, I guess Mnakwethu is a spin-off from Uthandani's Team, which profiles Mseleko and his polygamous family. In Mnakwethu Happily Ever After, Mseleko helps husbands seek permission from the wives to take additional wives. The show explores life after these decisions and how the introduction of the new wives impacts the existing relationship. In season 3 of the show, viewers got to witness a lot of drama. This season, Dulas tries to navigate the drama between his wife uZinhle. uZinhle usakhona between Zinhle Shows and Zinhle Mhlongo. Oh Lord Jesus, okay. She's been breaking up with Dulas for like how many seasons now. Qondanisa, on the other hand, will also balance his on and off relationship with his wives, Thokozile Mchunu. How Thogo? Hi. Waze wasidayisa singasajabulanga ukuthi you are out of the miserable relationship kanti usubuyele wena. Okay, so Thokozile Mchunu and Samantha Mazibuko. Ntshangase will be managing his wives Phindile Magudulela and Nonjabulo Hate. I believe that Ntshangase was in this last season. Tensions will run high as the family strive to find unity. In season 4 is where viewers will experience the real test for the families. This as they get to see whether these families can find harmony amidst complexities of polygamy. But we've seen that with these guys. We've seen that they are not able to achieve that, okay? I don't know what Mzansi Magic is wanting us to see. You know, what more can we see? Qondanisa's wife, Mamchun, is currently separated from him, but not divorced. And the family wants her back because she was financially providing for the family. What a reason to want her back, you know. Yeah, they should do Mnakwethu on Mzansi Magic, but they should take Mnakwethu Happily Ever After to Moja Love, because it really is like, it has a Moja Love energy. You know, Mzansi Magic should give that show to Moja Love. Njangase's wife Phindile wants to leave him if he continues with the polygamy idea. Her family is angry about Ntshangase betraying their daughter and want her to leave the marriage. Season 4 of Mnakwethu Happily Ever After will premiere on Mzansi Magic Channel 161 on Wednesday, the 16th of October at 8 p.m. I'll say good day now, October. But yeah, you guys, we are going to be over here waiting for the show to premiere, okay? But I hate the fact that they bring back the two guys. Okay, tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Now, what is Liz saying here? Okay. Liz disappointed me this season. She was mean. She was a mean girl. Mean. Okay. Liz Prince opens up about a regretful comment on Real Housewives Ultimate Girls Trip SA. Liz, a reality TV star on a Real Housewives Ultimate Girls Trip South Africa, recently addressed a moment from the show that sparked significant backlash on social media. Sometimes they just apologize because of the backlash, but do you understand how wrong the statement that you said was? Okay. I think she was so determined to be mean to Crystal that whatever Crystal was saying, she's just going to say something, you know, that disagrees with it, okay? And she ended up exposing herself. Okay, during the dinner, they had Liz dismiss fellow cast member Crystal K's traumatic upbringing. According to Chista Live, reflecting on the incident, Liz expressed regrets and apologized to Crystal, acknowledging her comment was hurtful and unfair. I regret the comment I made to Crystal at the final dinner when I said, you can't have trauma because you are white. At that moment, I was mad at all of them. I'm very sorry about that. I even sent Crystal an apology because there was not nice and I felt bad about it, but she and I have spoken about it and I've said I'm sincerely sorry, she told the publication. Listen, you guys, I do wish that sometimes that people can say, because listen, I'm sorry I said that thing because I was just feeling like a racist at that point, okay? I don't like people of a certain color and I just was feeling like that because that is the truth, okay? Not that, I was so angry with them, like suddenly when you're angry, you become racist, okay? Adding to the drama, Mel Felion, the founder of Timmy Taylor Nail SA, are we sure about that? Revealed that Beverly Staines' racial remarks towards Liz Prince, revealed that, okay, let me read it again. Adding to the drama, Mel Felion, founder of Timmy Taylor's Nail SA, revealed Bev Staines' racial remarks towards Liz Prince. During the episode, Mel didn't hold back and shared what was said behind Liz's back. This revelation led to a confrontation between Liz and Bev during the board conversation. Liz confronted Bev about the remarks. Bev had said that she had to remind herself that Liz is colored, not white. I get hurt when people talk about such issues. She said that. She's like, oh, I don't like when people talk about race. We are all just people. We are all just people. But she was the one that was like, yeah, you can't have trauma because you're white. I guess we can't talk about race, but she can talk about it. It is not nice. Just see people as who they are, Liz expressed. Bev admitted her comment was wrong and explained her upbringing influenced her thinking, and she regrets what she said. Guys, they will make all kinds of excuses when they make these comments, okay? Listen, tell me in the comment section what you think about this. What do you think about Liz's apology, okay? But she does say that she did speak to Crystal. So I guess Crystal really was the one that the whole comment was directed to. And if she has forgiven, maybe we need to forgive too. You know, we don't have a choice. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before you're gonna share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers in Tanda.